Welcome to our quick Excel tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to rank data in descending order using a simple formula in Excel. Here's how to do it. Open your Excel spreadsheet with the data you want to rank. In this file, we have the marks of 5 students across 3 subjects, along with their total scores. We'll rank the students in descending order. First, select the cell where you want the rank to appear. Enter the rank formula. Type equals rank to start the formula. Select the cell you want to rank. In this case, it's F3. Then, select the range of cells to rank against. In our case, it's C3 to C7. So type C$3, C$7. Note to put $sign before cell number. To rank in descending order, put a comma. Type 1 and press enter. This number stands for ascending order. The complete formula should look like this. Equals rank, F3, F$3, F$7, 1. Drag the fill handle down to apply the formula to other cells in the column. And that's it. Your data is now ranked in descending order. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.